Welcome to SD Civil Info. This video is going to be about retaining wall, their types and their applications. Let us see one by one. What is meant by retaining wall? அதோட நேம்லயே இருக்கு. Retainனா to hold back something. Usually earth masses or other loose materials sliding or erodingல இருந்து prevent பண்றதுக்காக build பண்ணக்கூடிய structureக்கு நேம் தான் retaining wall. Retaining walls, it is used to provide stability of the earth masses or other loose materials and also to withstand the lateral pressure of the soil, that is horizontal force induced in the soil, and also to hold back the soil material. So for this purpose retaining walls are designed and constructed. In case of hilly areas, the earth mass may move downwards due to erosion. In such cases, some extra supports are needed. Such supporting structures are called retaining walls. Usually, retaining walls oda both sides layume soil da retain aayirukkum and their levels will be different. But sometimes the material retained on either side may vary. For example, swimming pool எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம்னா அதோட ஒரு சைடுல வந்துட்டு வாட்டர் இருக்கும் and the other sideல வந்து soil இருக்கும். The types of retaining wall are as follows: gravity retaining wall, crib retaining wall, gabion retaining wall, cantilever retaining wall, counterfort or buttressed retaining wall, anchored retaining wall, piled retaining wall, mechanically stabilized retaining wall, and hybrid or composite retaining wall. The first one is gravity retaining wall. Gravity retaining wall oda own weight தான் எதன் materials retain பண்ணுது and generally இந்த walls-க்கு reinforcement இருக்காது. The lateral earth pressure resist பண்றதுக்கும் gravity retaining wall வந்து அதோட self weight தான் depend பண்ணி இருக்கு. And this kind of lateral pressure எதுல இருந்தெல்லாம் develop ஆகுதுன்னா earth filling, liquid pressure, sand and other granular materials that exist behind the retaining wall structure. காமனாவே gravity retaining wall வந்து ஒரு massive structure தான் இருக்கும். Massive in the sense heavy or bulky because it requires significant gravity load to counteract the soil pressure. And நம்ம gravity retaining wall design பண்ணும்போது 3 factors நம்ம consider பண்ணணும். They are sliding, overturning and bearing forces. And this gravity retaining wall is economical for a height up to 3 meters and generally it is trapezoidal in section. This drawing shows the sectional view of gravity retaining wall. As already mentioned, gravity retaining wall oda section generally trapezoidal shape la dhaan irukum and stability improve பண்றதுக்காக அதோட earth sideல mild taper நம்ம provide பண்ணனும். அதோட value என்னன்னா minimum batter of 1:48. The upper portion of the wall is called as stem and the lower portion is called as base. In between the stem and base, a key is to be provided in order to resist the shear at the joint. Hence, this drawing clearly shows the proportioning of gravity retaining wall. Hence, these are all about gravity retaining wall. These walls are recommended when a high degree of permanence under unfavorable climatic environment exists. Now, what is semi-gravity retaining wall? It is same as that of gravity retaining wall, but the difference is we are providing reinforcement here. Surface cracks resist பண்றதுக்காக வாலோட exposed faceல nominal reinforcement another faceல main reinforcement provide பண்றோம். Then in addition to keys, base dowel bars also provided to resist the shear at joints. Now let us see what is meant by crib retaining wall. Gravity retaining wall oda ஒரு type தான் crib retaining wall. Individual boxes interlock பண்ணி construct பண்றது தான் crib retaining wall and it is made of timber or precast concrete and ஒரு free drain structure create பண்றதுக்காக அந்த individual boxesல crushed stone or other coarse granular materials fill பண்ணனும். And this wall is suited to support planter areas only and not recommended to support slopes or structures. And the next one is gabion retaining wall. Gabion retaining wall is also one of the types of the gravity retaining wall. அது பார்க்கிறதுக்கு multi celled or rectangular wire mesh boxes மாதிரி இருக்கும். அந்த boxesக்குள்ள rocks or other suitable materials வச்சு fill பண்ணனும். இது என்ன மாதிரி ஏரியாஸ்க்கு யூஸ் பண்ணலாம்னா some areasல erosion வந்து அதிகமா இருக்கும். So அதை control பண்றதுக்காக gabion retaining walls நம்ம construct பண்ணலாம். And also steep slope stabilize பண்றதுக்காகவும் இந்த wall construct பண்ணலாம். The next one is cantilever retaining wall. Cantilever retaining wall is the reinforced concrete wall which consists of vertical arm that retains the earth and is held in position by a footing base slab. So in the wall weight of the filler material plus weight of the ball ரெண்டும் சேர்ந்து தான் stability of structure improve பண்ணுது. Stem தான் vertical arm னு இதல மென்ஷன் பண்ணிருக்கோம். And this stem acts as the cantilever portion. So retaining wall oda height increase ஆகும்போது stem oda thickness increase ஆகும். Only then we can achieve the stability. The stem and base slab should be fully reinforced. Only then the retaining wall can resist moments and shear. And the next thing is, when we place a retaining wall on a firm soil and the backfill is horizontal with clean sand or gravel, then the base by height ratio can be lesser. And if the retaining wall is placed in a weak foundation soil with backfill as sloping and of cohesive material, then the base by height ratio must be higher. When compared to gravity retaining wall, cantilever retaining wall requires small quantity of concrete, but its design and construction shall be executed carefully. Same as that of gravity retaining wall, sliding, overturning and bearing forces shall be taken into consideration for designing. It is economical for a height up to 6 meters and it is constructed from precast, reinforced or pre-stressed concrete, either constructed on-site or prefabricated off-site. And cantilever retaining wall is the most commonly used retaining wall. Here is the sectional view of cantilever retaining wall. It consists of stem and base slab fully reinforced with main reinforcement and temperature reinforcement, and minimum batter of 1:48 is provided at the earth side to improve the stability, and this clearly shows the proportioning of the cantilever retaining wall. And the next one is counterfort retaining wall. Retaining wall oda height 6 meter oda greater ஆகும்போது vertical wall உள்ள bending moment வந்து ரொம்பவே ஹையா இருக்கும். அந்த bending moment ரெடியூஸ் பண்றதுக்காக walls perpendicular stems வந்து ஒரு particular spacingல provide பண்ணுவாங்க. அதுக்கு பேர் தான் counterfort. இந்த counterfort வந்து backfill sideல place பண்ணுவாங்க and the space between the counterforts are backfilled with filler material. இந்த counterfort தான் face ஐயும் base slabs ஐயும் connect பண்ணுது and it is subjected to tensile forces. End sectionல counterfort provide பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. அதோட unsupported end part என்னன்னா 0.41 L, where L is the spacing between the counterfort. At the same time, counterforts backfill sideல place பண்றதுக்கு பதிலா exposed face of the wall place பண்ணோம்னா அதுக்கு நேம் தான் buttressed retaining wall. Buttresses reduces the clearance in front of the wall. In this case, the bracings of the counterforts are subjected to compression. Now, what is anchored retaining wall? இந்த retaining wall எப்போ யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்னா நமக்கு limited space தான் available or thin retaining wall is enough. இந்த மாதிரி கண்டிஷன்ல தான் நம்ம anchored retaining wall யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். This anchored retaining wall is suitable for loose soil over rock, and considerably high retaining wall can be constructed using this type of retaining wall structure system. And this anchored retaining wall constructions deep cable rods or wires earth oda sideways deep drive பண்ணுவாங்க and their ends will be filled with concrete. Only then anchor can be provided. This anchor acts against overturning as well as sliding pressure. What is piled retaining wall? In piled retaining wall construction, reinforced concrete piles are driven into a depth that is sufficient to counter the force which tries to push over the wall, and it is employed in both temporary and permanent works. Pile retaining wall construction அப்போ நம்ம larger excavation depth வேணும். அதனால induce ஆகக்கூடிய lateral pressure withstand பண்றதுக்கு piled walls வந்து high stiffness provide பண்ணுது. So surrounding properties or structures க்கு எந்த disturbance இருக்காது. And again sheet pile walls யூஸ் பண்றாங்க by using steel sheets into a slope or excavation up to a required depth only. So it cannot withstand very high pressure. And this sheet pile retaining wall is economical till height of 6 meters. What is mechanically stabilized earth retaining wall? Retaining walls laye most economical as well as most commonly constructed எதுன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா அது mechanically stabilized earth retaining wall தான். இது எப்படி சப்போர்ட் ஆகுதுன்னா selected fills or granular and also reinforcement ரெண்டும் சேர்ந்து either metallic strips or plastic meshes of form ஆகி சப்போர்ட் பண்றது தான் mechanically stabilized earth retaining wall. அதோட டைப்ஸ் என்னலாம்னா panel, concrete block and temporary earth retaining walls. And the last one is hybrid system. Retaining walls la both earth mass as well as reinforcement ரெண்டும் சேர்த்து stability achieve பண்றதுக்காக construct பண்றது தான் hybrid or composite retaining wall system. And hence we have seen all the types of retaining wall. Use of these walls depends on various conditions such as local availability, price of construction materials, property rights, loading and backfill materials. Let us see in which cases retaining walls are used. Here the retaining walls are used in highway. Retaining walls play an essential role in highway engineering, either by supporting the highway or supporting the property above the highway. They are constructed to preserve a difference in between adjacent areas of ground, to create a difference in height, or to create the level area on the sloping ground. And here retaining walls are used in railway. Railroad infrastructures projects எல்லாமே அதோட existing infrastructures modify பண்றாங்க. எதனாலனா அதுல இருக்கக்கூடிய components எல்லாமே aged ஆயிட்டு and also அதை expand பண்ணாதான் capacity increase பண்ண முடியும் and also safety improve பண்ண முடியும். So இந்த மாதிரி variety of grade differential problems சால்வ் பண்றதுக்காக ரிட்டைனிங் வால்ஸ் ரயில்வே ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ்லயும் யூஸ் பண்றாங்க. ரிட்டைனிங் வால் அபட்மெண்ட் ஆகும் ஆக்ட் ஆகும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் சிங்கிள் ஸ்பான் பிரிட்ஜஸோட ரெண்டு எண்ட்லயும் அபட்மெண்ட் இருக்கும். அதுதான் வெர்டிக்கல் as well as lateral சப்போர்ட்டை பிரிட்ஜுக்கு ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணுது. அண்ட் ஆல்சோ ஒரு ரிட்டைனிங் வாலாவும் ஆக்ட் ஆகுது டு ரெசிஸ்ட் த lateral movement of the earthen fill. The retaining wall can also be used in the construction of underground water tanks or canal and swimming pools to retain the earth masses. Depressed roads constructionsலயும் retaining walls யூஸ் பண்றாங்க. In some situations roads வந்து ரொம்ப depressed ஏரியால லே பண்ண வேண்டியது இருக்கும். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி சிச்சுவேஷன்ல ரெண்டு சைட்ல உள்ள earthen வாலையும் சப்போர்ட் பண்றதுக்காக retaining walls construct பண்றாங்க. Retaining walls can also be used as the elevated roads. For example, in the construction of vehicle underpass, the retaining walls are present at both the ends of the road to support the structure. Construction of retaining wall is an effective way to control the erosion and also to slow down the flow. In most of the landslide areas, it is advisable to construct the retaining walls. Retaining walls are not only used for holding the soil and preventing erosion, it can be used as a flood wall. This means retaining wall can protect our property from flood damage, not just water but also floating debris. For landscaping purpose also, retaining walls are used to help the customers to overcome the sloped yards. Retaining walls are also used in the construction of box culvert, and for the construction of basement floor also retaining walls are used. We have seen all the applications of retaining wall, and finally we come to the end of our session. In this session we have seen what is retaining wall, what are the types of retaining wall and the applications of retaining wall. I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.